Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. In this video, you are going to see the unboxing of this skipping rope. I have purchased this skipping rope offline and it cost around 100. You can also purchase it in online or offline as well. Okay, let's unbox it. Wow, color is of very nice. It is in pink color and let's remove this. Wow, length is also comfortable and it is of plastic rope. Okay, this is called plastic and yes, quality is also very nice. So if you would like to purchase a skipping rope, you can consider this one. You can purchase it offline or online as well. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye. If you would like to purchase it, just check out the description or you can check out the product page of this video. Okay, that's all. Bye.